City's Soma neighborhood, some say the homelessness and open-air drug use near 6th Street is reaching a boiling point. It's why Supervisor Matt Dorsey is calling for more arrests of drug users and a new strategy to clean up San Francisco neighborhoods. ABC 7 News reporter Monica Madden spoke to him about it and joins us. Monica, why now?
Well, JR, in part because California just implemented Prop 36, increasing penalties for drug users. Dorsey says he wants the city to be arresting 100 people per night in the 6th Street corridor, with the police department estimating at least 200 people using drugs in the quarter-mile stretch on a nightly basis. But does San Francisco have the resources to put hundreds into detox and treatment programs? Dorsey says there will have to be a way.
Some say drug use in the 6th Street corridor is worse than ever. Look around and you might see why. While crackdowns have focused on dealers, San Francisco Supervisor Matt Dorsey wants to take it a step further.
Making interventions that get people under arrest into drug treatment.
And it's personal for him.
It's something I consider nothing less than the obligation of my own survival as a recovering drug addict. We do need to be making arrests of drug users with an eye toward making sure that any criminal justice intervention we make is a medical and life-saving intervention.
It would be a significant shift in the city's approach, which has long focused on harm reduction strategies.
What may have worked in the heroin era is not working in the fentanyl era. We are facing drugs that are deadlier than ever before in human history, and we're seeing levels of addiction-driven lawlessness that we have never seen.
With Prop 36 now in effect, authorities can charge repeat drug offenders with a treatment-mandated felony, giving people the option of rehab over prison time.
Nobody is asking for draconian sentences like, the bygone era of the drug war. What we are asking for is for people to be held accountable for drug-driven lawlessness.
What's that going to cost?
I think the answer is that can we afford not to solve this problem?
It's not the first time the city has tried this. In 2023, Mayor London Breed directed SFPD to make more drug-related arrests. Forced treatment wasn't welcomed by all.
Their risk of overdose sometimes sort of paradoxically goes up. We've said you can't use, and created a situation where they're not using opioids. Their tolerance goes down, and a relapse can be deadly.
The CEO of San Francisco's AIDS Foundation telling ABC 7 News in part, decades of research have shown that criminalizing people for their health conditions or circumstances perpetuates harm rather than fostering recovery.
All of it comes back to public safety. A city that is premised on being welcoming and safe and clean for tourists and conventions and shoppers and commuters cannot lose sight of how valuable it is to solve these problems.
And another new ordinance is also going to impact this issue. Those with a substance abuse disorder who refuse to accept treatment will no longer be able to receive county-funded cash assistance thanks to Prop F, which was approved by voters in November.